Okay, now imagine creating something that lets you share your thoughts, your knowledge, your stories with the world, and not only that, but also making money from it. Blogging is still one of the most effective ways to do just that. If you enjoy writing or have a passion for a particular topic, starting a blog could be one of the best decisions you make as a teenager. For those who aren't familiar, a blog is simply a website or an online journal where you regularly post written content, also called blog posts. You can write about any topic you're passionate about or knowledgeable in, whether that's personal development, tech, fitness, fashion, gaming, or even food. The opportunities are endless. And here's the cool part. You can eventually make money from it. Blogging is an excellent side hustle for teens for several reasons. Like, you can express your creativity, build a personal brand, long-term growth, learn valuable skills, and lastly, scalable income. Though starting a blog sounds complicated, but it's really not. Here's a simple step-by-step process. Pick a niche. First, decide on a niche, a specific topic or category that you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. This helps you attract a target audience. It could be anything from fitness tips to personal finance for teens, fashion, gaming, or cooking. Choose a platform to host your blog. WordPress is the most popular one because it's customizable, but there are also other platforms like Blogger, Medium, or Wix. Buy a domain name. If you want to take it seriously, you should buy your own domain name, the address of your website. It looks more professional, for example, yourname.com or teenfinanceguru.com. Design your blog. Use pre-made templates or themes to design your blog. You don't need to be a web developer. Most platforms offer easy, drag-and-drop options. Start writing. Write your first blog post. Make it engaging and valuable to your target audience. And lastly, promote your blog. Share your blog posts on social media, forums, or communities where your target readers hang out. Blogging is perfect for you if you enjoy writing or storytelling. You have knowledge or passion in a specific topic that you can write about regularly. You want to build an online presence and eventually monetize your audience. You're patient and ready to work on something that grows over time. Now, let's talk about the part that probably interests you the most: how to make money from blogging. There are several ways to monetize a blog once it starts getting traffic. These are display ads. The most common way is through display ads. You can sign up for programs like Google AdSense, where companies place ads on your blog, and you get paid every time someone clicks on an ad. Affiliate marketing. This is a huge one. By joining affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, you promote products within your blog posts and earn a commission on every sale made through your link. Sponsored posts. As your blog grows, companies might pay you to write posts about their products or services. Selling digital products. You can create ebooks, courses, or other digital products and sell them directly to your readers. Membership or subscriptions. Some bloggers offer premium content, like exclusive posts, resources, or videos that readers can access by subscribing for a monthly fee. Also, if you want to grow your blog, there's one thing you'll need to master: SEO, search engine optimization. This is the art of optimizing your blog so that it ranks high on search engines like Google. Here are some quick SEO tips to help your blog stand out. Use keywords. Include specific words and phrases people might search for in your blog posts. These keywords should appear naturally in your titles, headings, and content. Create high-quality content. Google loves blogs that offer valuable content. This means your posts should be well-written, informative, and answer the reader's questions. Backlinks matter. Get other websites to link back to your blog. This signals to Google that your content is trustworthy and credible. Write engaging headlines. Your post titles should be catchy and include your main keyword. This increases the chances of people clicking on your post. Mobile-friendly. Ensure your blog is optimized for mobile devices. Most users browse the web on their phones these days, so a mobile-friendly site is a must. But like any side hustle, blogging comes with its own set of challenges. Firstly, to grow a blog, you have to consistently create high-quality content. This means finding the time to write, edit, and publish regularly. Also, building an audience takes time. Unlike some other side hustles, blogging is not an instant moneymaker. It could take months or even a year before you start seeing significant traffic and income. Thirdly, you'll need to learn things like SEO, search engine optimization, web design, and digital marketing. It's not hard, but it does take time to master these skills. And last but not the least, competition. The blogging space is competitive. There are a lot of blogs out there, so finding your unique voice and standing out in your niche is crucial. All right, before we wrap up, let's answer some questions I know you guys might have about blogging. First, do I need to be a great writer to start a blog? Nope, absolutely not. Blogging isn't about fancy words or being Shakespeare 2.0. It's about connecting with people. If you can explain your ideas like you're talking to a friend, you're good to go. And hey, tools like Grammarly are your besties for polishing things up. Next, how much can I earn from blogging? Short answer, it depends. Some blogs make pocket money, others make six figures. But here's the deal. Focus on creating value first. Blogging isn't an ATM, it's a business. The more effort you put into growing it, the better it pays off. Next one, what if no one reads my blog? Fair question. Everyone starts with 0 readers. You can promote your blog on social media, engage in forums and communities, and trust the process. Consistency is what turns no one into everyone. Now let's also bust some blogging myths that are holding a lot of you back. First one is that blogging is outdated. First off, no, blogging isn't outdated. It's evolving. Think of blogs as the backbone of SEO, search engine optimization. Businesses need blogs. Creators thrive on blogs, and guess what? So can you. Another one is that I need a super expensive setup to start. Well, here's the truth. You don't need a fancy domain or paid tools right away. Start with free platforms like Blogger or Medium. Learn the ropes and upgrade when you're ready to scale. And the last one is that you need to post daily to stay relevant. This one's a trap. It's not about how often you post, it's about the quality. A well-researched blog post every 2 weeks beats low-quality spam every day. So work smart, not hard, and always obsess over quality over quantity. Well, that's all. If you still have questions, drop them in the comments, and I'd surely answer them like always. So, if you've got something to say and you're willing to put in the time and effort, blogging could be your gateway to a future filled with possibilities.